In today's energy market, we're going to focus on WTI. WTI had a big reversal this morning. We did see it lower initially. We traded down to the 50.36 level, but as the day went on, we saw prices increase, and we actually saw WTI now trading over $53 a barrel. Some of the activity here, looking at the options activity, when you look at the puts, with the 50 puts, we saw about 6,500 of those trade. And when you look at the call side, we're looking at the 53 calls in January, and we saw about 7,000 of those trades. So again, some pretty active out-of-the-money options activity on those options on the January future. We'll have to see how that plays out here moving through the cycle. But certainly when you look at what's going on, you still see demand for out-of-the-money puts and calls, expecting this volatility to persist. Looking at some of the news items today, I want to point out something that broke this morning that possibly flipped the script on WTI. The IEA, now that's the International Energy Agency, not to be confused with the EIA, which was the Energy Information Administration. The IEA indicated in a report today that they see the potential for a supply deficit in the second quarter of 2019. Very different than what they just put out a month ago. So I think that's part of the reason why we saw a bid in WTI and Brent this afternoon. Now, they indicated if OPEC and Russia maintain the production cuts, even though the U.S. is ramping up production, the effect could be something where it would impact the supply moving into the second quarter. And couple that with the waiver situation out of Iran. Now, if we see the waivers actually come off and Iran oil having to come out of the market, that would be another supply concern going into the second quarter of 2019. Looking at another possible driver today, global trade. We did see the U.S. indicate that they are going to China indicate that they're going to start buying U.S. soybeans. That's just viewed as a positive in the trade tensions. Also, I think helped provide a bid under WTI and some of the other commodities, given the fact that we actually saw China make a move here to initiate some trade activity. But currently, as I indicated, WTI reversed course today. After the low, we saw it up over $53 a barrel here late this afternoon.